I remember once my aunt, I was staying with my aunt, and there was a fair on, and I went up the road, and she came running, puffing. She was a very stout woman, up the road after me, and she grabbed me by the ear, and she pulled me back. What will the neighbours think? And I'm like, what will the neighbours think? Look at you, no shoes on, like a gypsy brat. My great-grandfather was gypsy. And hauled me, and I was 8. Kids at 8, if you, in Australia, if it was raining, and you went to school and you were wearing shoes, you got into trouble. Your parents have bought those lovely new shoes for you, and now you're walking in the rain in them. So, I mean, barefoot is what you do. In Sri Lanka too, as a small child, I was always barefoot, you know. And that I can remember absolutely. I was thinking, here I am, I'm in England, it's where I belong, everybody thinks I'm English. And then I was told I was a gypsy brat and the neighbours wouldn't like me. And